Adding and removing permissions on a business role. If needed, you can add or remove a permission from a business role at large. This would affect the permissions of all holders of the role. To do this, navigate to School, Users and Security. From here, choose a business role that you want to add or remove a permission for. For this example, we will choose the Local Authority Official business role. Click on this business role. You are now at the Business Role Overview page. The first thing you need to do is click on Permission Management and assume responsibility for the permissions. This means that Arbor will no longer manage the permissions for this business role. This is a process that cannot be undone, so if there is an update to the permissions for this business role, you will need to change this manually yourself, as Arbor will not automatically update this any longer once you assume responsibility for this process. Once this is done, you will see the permissions are now managed by the school. Now click Permissions on the left-hand menu. Click on the permission that you want to add to all users of this business role. Now click Add Permission to Role. And you will see a tick next to this permission. Equally, to remove a permission from a business role, click on the permission here and click Remove Permission from Role. This will remove the permission from all users of this business role, present and future. It is always advisable to make permission changes from the staff profile if you prefer Arbor to automatically update the business role permissions as and when an update arises. Certainly, it can be useful to change the permissions for a business role as a whole, particularly if all of the role holders require this change and if there are many role holders. But you can always change permissions individually from a staff member's profile.